What's up, guys? Johnny here. Welcome back. Today we're in Chicago for the MultiGP North Central Regional Finals. Super pumped to be here. Super excited. It's a bit cold. It's still a bit windy, but things supposed to get a lot nicer today. It's supposed to warm up into the 70s, but not be too hot. Hopefully the wind's going to die down, give us a nice shot. Anyway, the big thing for me is I showed up yesterday. I went by to see how the track was going, how guys were doing setting up. I noticed there was basically nobody there. So they had like 3 guys trying to set up the track. They were obviously way behind. I felt real bad. I decided to pitch in, help them put up the track. Once we saw how far behind it was, you know, we just called in all the Detroit guys. We had 4 or 5 Detroit guys there basically building the whole track. There were some issues with measuring the track before we got there, so we actually redid the whole track, remeasured everything, got just about everything up. By the time we took off yesterday about 11 o'clock, we had everything but the tall stuff up. So anyway, we're heading back over there. Hopefully we can get the tall stuff up going. I know we had some issues getting the electronics set up, so we're probably gonna be a little bit delayed, but you know what, that's all right. We're just happy to be here racing. It's the best region, if you ask me. We're gonna have the most number of pilots of any region. I think 74 were signed up as of yesterday. So just, man, it's gonna be some intense racing, super intense. Just gonna be a great time. One of the cool things about the venue here is the hotel that I'm staying at. It's on the same street as the venue. We just turn out of here, go left, go up the street about a quarter mile, and we're there. You know, I'll tell you one thing. I don't want to be the negative guy, but when I show up and I hear people talking about how they showed up and saw that nothing was done, then left because it's not their event, that bugs me. We were here a long time. It's not our event either, but you know what? We want a good event for everyone. So if that's you next time, if you show up and you see that guys are struggling to get things set up and you can help out, it's much appreciated. Just try to help out. Anyway, bring my stuff over, get it set up. Can't wait to get racing. Alright guys, we got everything all set up today for the race. It's still a bit windy, still a bit cold. It actually feels really nice when you're sitting back there over in the sun on the bleachers, but we're getting ready to go. We just finished up doing our tech inspections. Almost about to start. I'm flying in race number 10 today. So I'm flying in race number 10, which is Group B. So I'm gonna have a long time to wait before I get going. But the good thing about that is I get to watch everyone in Group A, including race number 5, which has just stacked pilots. So the way that they made these brackets is they basically went and took the top 16 pilots. They took all the odd ones, put them in one heat, took all the even ones, put them in another heat, and then that's the way they're running it. So I'm running in 10 with all the even pilots, so the 2, the 4, the 6, the 8. There's gonna be some tight racing. Hopefully there's no mid-airs, but you know what? I'm just excited to be out here and racing. The sun's finally out, things are looking nice. A little bit windy, but it ain't gonna be bad. So I'm really looking forward to it. For today, I'm actually running here the Spitfire, the Brother Hobby 2207 R6 returners. If you watched my review from last week, you probably remember these. I just love them so much. I switched all my quads over. That's gonna be racing here today. Hopefully it does me well. And yeah, let's see how others do. Let's watch them, and can't wait till I get my chance to fly.
And all the pilots, of course, helping out here this morning, getting the course back up. It's 2 spec. It's been measured twice, actually 3 times, and it is dialed in. So this course is exactly the same as the 4 regional finals leading to this 5th of 6 regional finals. The 2018 MultiGP Regional Series are presented by the Academy of Model Aeronautics.
What's up, Cleveland?
What's going on, John?
Who let that guy in there? Alright guys, we're up in racing Group B. Just had my very first practice round. Things felt pretty good. A little bit of nerves, but not too much. I got off to a good start, went up front right away, and it just felt good to be out in front. No, I'm not going to hit anyone. I took it really, really easy. At least it felt really easy for me. I noticed he started saying 39-second laps. And what I decided to do is basically finish at the end. Hopefully I'll be on a 4-lap pace. I wasn't. I missed it by 0.8 seconds, but then just take that extra lap if he'll let me. Push a little hard, see how I do. While pushing, I hit something, but you know what? It's feeling good. For the first time racing the track, for the first practice battery, that's a pretty good run. There's only been 3 guys, I think, that have gotten a 4 laps. So to do that on the practice, that's really good. Hopefully we just keep it up. Alright guys, 2 rounds of practice in the books. Time to get real in qualifying. I managed to get a 4-lap in 2:30. First pilot to do 4 laps in practice, so feeling pretty good about that. But now we gotta be able to do it when it counts. So let's get out there, do our best, get our 4 laps, have some fun, just enjoy the day, having a blast. Before that sun goes down, out here in the Chicago area, regional finals. How do you do better than this?
All right, pilots, rearm your quads. Live on the tone in less than 5. Fantastic start for an entire field. And this is a highlight. Pull it back in our live stream afterwards at mgp.livefpv.com as you watch them all preload on those Pro Launch FPV stands. That was freaky. That was freaky to watch right there. It is a freaky Saturday here in Matson, Illinois. Watching Jared work his way into that Fat Shark corkscrew section. And he somehow found a gear at about 80 feet and about 3 gates the rest of the field. He's on lap 2, 37.8. Jared to the good as we get ready to bring the rest of the field up and over. There goes the Don, Deluxe 312, Johnny Fly, 234, and there's Boomerang FPV in the number 5 spot just as that clock warms up to run. Nomad across the line with a 51.8. We're not even at the midway point. The rest of the field hungry for it. But K Mead with some issues down in the lower fields, and Big Nasty FPV with some issues. As we pick up your leader once again, Jared about to come from our right to left if you're watching line of sight through our AMA start finish gate. He's a hometowner from Chicago. That's a 37.5. There's 2 consistent laps onto lap 3, and of course on a 4-lap pace. Johnny Fly across the line with a 37.7. He's going to have to do this next one in about 37 seconds. The Dawn onto lap 3 to do your next one in 34. And Deluxe 312 with a 43.3 onto lap 3. Boomerang onto lap 3. 20 seconds still to go. Nomad with 1 more to go onto lap number 3 as well.
So 4 laps, 2 minutes 35 is the fastest time in all of our qualifiers here at this regional final. We get on lap 4 with Jared with another 37.4. That is a wiggle room of only 0.2 of a second. Johnny Fly, 3 laps in 2:01. That's going to be it in all. 3 laps 2:01 for Johnny Fly. 3 laps 2:06 for the Dawn. You're done. Deluxe 3:12. 3 laps 2:10.
All right, here we go.
All right, 3 mid-airs in round 1. Missed it by 1 second to get on the 4 lap, but you know, that's still a good 3. You got to look at the bright side. Had some good laps. Those props were destroyed by the end. So keep riding the positive. Just go get it on round 2 and just keep going, trying hard. That's all we can do.
You're the superstar above me when the sun goes down, the one and only who could light this town. And when you're feeling like you're burning out, I will remind you that you're a superstar and you don't need a golden crown, 'cause everybody needs a hero now. And when the weight is like 1,000,000 pounds, I'll stand behind you, 'cause you're a superstar, superstar. You're the superstar and you don't need a golden crown, 'cause everybody needs a hero now. And when the weight is like 1,000,000 pounds, I'll stand behind you, 'cause you're a superstar,
The choke is real, folks. The choke is real. So just mid-air central out there, just driving me nuts. So 2 mid-airs, then I crashed after 1 lap. Just
2:17.
all right. So we're done for today. 3 in. We got 2 tomorrow. These will be my 2 drops. I'll come back tomorrow. I'll get my laps. I'll be in that bracket. Just
And
man,
it's going to be
this
another
frustrating.
4.
You're the superstar.